Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to replace text in PDF using Spire.PDF. This video is divided into 3 parts: function introduction, code explanation and example operations. PDF files often contain text that is difficult to modify because the layout is not automatically adjusted when you edit the text. This makes PDF a highly secure document format. Nevertheless, there are times when we need to make alterations to a PDF document. In this video, I will demonstrate 2 methods for replacing text in PDF. The first is to draw a white rectangle over the original text and add new text to it. This method does not change the existing text. The second method uses an interface called PDF Text Replacer to change the text directly. Since PDF does not automatically adjust the page content, it's crucial to ensure that the new text matches the length of the text being replaced to maintain the integrity of the document's layout. Next, let's move on to the code explanation. In this method, we need to create a PDF text finder object first. And then set find rules, new text and font. Draw the new text at the corresponding position on the page. Next, I will demonstrate the code in IDEA. The test document has been placed in the specified location in advance. Here, we will replace Spire.PDF for Java with E-iceblue Spire.PDF. First, we create a PDF document object. Load the test document from the specified path. Then, get all the pages of this document. Iterate through them and retrieve each page. Next, set the find rules. Create a PDF text finder object and pass the page object to it. Then, set the find options. For example, we can set whether to ignore case, regular expressions, or whether it is a complete word. Then find the specified text. Now, we can set the new text and font as needed. After that, get the bound of each searched text and draw a white rectangle. And then draw new text in this rectangle. Finally, save the result file and free the resources. Execute the code. After successful execution, open the generated file. We can see that all the specified text has been replaced with the new text. In addition, there is another way to directly replace the text in PDF using PDF Text Replacer interface. Similarly, I will demonstrate it in IDEA. First, create a PDF document object and load the test document. Get the total number of pages of the document. Next, get each page. Create an object of PDF Text Replacer and pass the page object to it. Set the replacing options. We can also set whether to ignore case, regular expression, or whether it is a complete word. Then replace all the specified text in the test document with the new text. Finally, save the result file and free the resources. Execute the code. After successful execution, open the generated file. We can see that all the specified text has been replaced with the new text. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.